If you've tried every product, serum, oil, or DIY hack out there and still struggle with hair that just won't grow, listen up, because this is going to change your life.
Thank you.
I'm about to share a 100% proven, expert-approved hair growth secret that delivers real results. We're not talking about a long list of expensive ingredients or complicated routines. This one powerful ingredient is probably sitting in your kitchen right now, and you've been overlooking it the whole time. It's flaxseeds, nature's silent hair growth miracle. This tiny seed is a game changer. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, flaxseeds stimulate insane hair growth, strengthen hair from the roots, and add thickness and shine like nothing else. I've seen people go from thinning, damaged hair to long, luscious locks in just weeks, and you can too. Here's how to use it. Add some water to a pan, toss in a few tablespoons of flax seeds, and bring it to a boil. Watch closely until a white frothy layer forms on top. That's your magic happening. Turn off the heat, let it cool, and strain the mixture using a muslin cloth. What you're left with is a thick, nutrient-rich gel. Now, for those struggling with severe hair fall, add 4 to 5 drops of rosemary essential oil to supercharge the results. Apply this gel directly to your scalp and throughout your hair. Leave it on for an hour, then rinse with a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo. Do this just twice a week, and I challenge you to track your results. You'll start seeing longer, fuller, healthier hair in no time. This is not just a remedy, it's a total hair transformation. Once you try it, you'll never go back.